Big rally here, and keep in mind that Washington state legalized abortion in 1970 by referendum. The Washington voters did so by 13 percentage points. Now, what happened here at Kerry Park earlier this afternoon, overlooking a very blue Democratic city, was a lot of lawmakers asking for the status quo.
Washington state is a pro-choice state, and we are going to fight. We are going to fight like hell to keep Washington a pro-choice state.
In front of an entire pro-choice crowd, local elected Democrats decried the Supreme Court's draft decision and reaffirmed that Washington state will remain a state where women can make their own decision about getting an abortion.
It is extreme, it is radical, it is wildly out of step with the views of the American people, and it removes and reverses decades of legal precedent relied upon by millions and millions of women in this country.
Because Washington state legalized abortion 2 years before Roe v. Wade, state abortion laws have become insulated by a myriad of other laws to protect a woman's reproduction rights, and every speaker vowed to fight for those protections.
We will stand with women across this county, across this state, and across this country against government-mandated pregnancy.
Congresswoman Pramila Jayapal was the second woman in Congress to admit she had an abortion when she was in her 20s.
Let's just be clear. These 5 justices were appointed by 2 Republican presidents who were elected by a minority of the American people.
The governor hinting that he will explore making a woman's right to choose a constitutional protection. And he sent a signal to women like in Idaho, a trigger state, where if Roe versus Wade is overturned, abortion will be made illegal immediately if the court's draft decision becomes permanent.
We want to make sure we will have adequate resources to provide abortion services for people who come to Washington state. They will be welcome and they will be served.
And we don't know if the draft decision will become permanent when the court possibly releases its permanent decision in June. But a topic of abortion will be a hot topic during the midterm elections, especially in Congressional District 8, which is on the east side near Issaquah, now held by Democratic Congresswoman Kim Schreier, who is pro-choice, and most likely the challenger will be Reagan Dunn, a Republican. I texted Reagan Dunn today to see if he would have a response to the Supreme Court's draft decision. He hasn't returned my text at all. Visibly absent here in Kerry Park was any sort of sign of any pro-life protester. Live at Kerry Park, Matt Markovich, Fox 13 News.
Matt, thanks so much.